Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we have a little short, quick video in regards to what impact driver and drill set is right for you. Obviously, Milwaukee being the best in the market, M18 volt being the strongest, it's just a matter of choosing the M18 versus the M18 fuel. So let's get ready to go. Okay, folks, I personally own this set. It goes through metal, wood, and concrete like butter. It's super easy to use. You pair up the drill with the proper drill bits and you can go through anything. If you get the high output batteries, and I'm talking 3.0, 5.0, or 6.0, you get the same power as the basic fuel tools. You do not need to go up any higher in price point than these two little bad boys. Definitely, for me, they're the best to put together furniture and work around the house. These are Milwaukee's top of the line drill and impact drill set. These are the awesomest, best tools I ever seen. Smaller than the regular M18s, more powerful. Are they a lot more powerful with high amp batteries? They can go a couple of seconds faster than just the regular M18. Are they worth the 400 bucks? Of course, if you're a contractor. If you're just going to be working around your house, putting stuff together, doing work, maybe making your own furniture, you don't need to go up to this level unless, of course, you just want to spend the extra money and always have the best of the best. Now, let me tell you, folks, the way I choose to buy a tool. First of all, I like it to have power. Second of all, how easy it is to use because I'm not a contractor. I'm just a dude who likes to fix stuff around my house. Third is price. How much is this going to set me back? And of course, fourth being availability. How easy can I go and get it? If something happens to it, can I go return it, exchange it? Make sure that I can just drive down the street and I'm going to find a place that sells it. Literally, Milwaukee is the best way to go. It's just a matter of deciding how much you want to spend, if you want to go for the 229 or you want to go for the 399. They're both awesome sets. They're both great sets. Definitely recommend.